See here, there's a lot of bedrock here. Now suck and tube that gravel into a bucket and feed it straight to the sluice. As we follow the bedrock down, that's where we're going to find the best gold. Oh, we got gold! Oh, you beauty! Do you need me to take the camera off my head for that one? Look at that. There's my finger for scale. Now let's run the rest of this bucket and then I'll run the other one over there. I can see a nice piece of gold there. I can see a few reflective pieces down here. Lift up the cali, put it into the bucket first. That's the most important thing. Lift up. So I say we ran 2.5 buckets total. We'll mix everything together and let's see how we get on. We saw gold in the mat. I was not expecting that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a nice one down here. Hope you've enjoyed today's video of stream sampling with the Cali Sluice box. If you like this video, chances are you like the videos I previously posted and the ones we post in the future. Don't forget the subscribe button and sure catch the next one. We can all go find more shiny. Have a nice day. Bye bye.